What's up, everybody? It's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've taken such a long hiatus. There's been a lot going on, but I promise this month I have a whole lot of things coming and I'm really excited. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can also get some updates on these new videos. I guess we're just gonna dive right into it, right? Yeah. Today I am coming to you with my first ever attempt at these babies. These as in my eyebrows, the caterpillars. I actually have some family coming over and I thought might as well kind of like get dressed up, look a little bit nice, blah blah blah. And I thought it would be smart to try and do some actual eyebrow filling in because I have so many eyebrow like makeup things and I just never use them. So I thought might as well try for the first time ever. So in this video, I'm basically just going to be plucking my eyebrows for the first time as well as doing my eyebrows like professionally for the first time. The products that I'm using are Tarte's Medium Brown Eyebrow Cream that comes with this lovely spoolie and angled brush. I'm also going to be using some sort of Bare Minerals concealer. And honestly, that's it. Keep watching the video if you want to watch me panic and freak out on how to attempt eyebrows. My hair is going to keep flinging in my face, so first step, I guess, should be to get my hair out of my face. Do you hear that? It's perfectly sunny out. And yet there's thunder. Ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? Step one, the outside aligns from the bottom of the nose to the outer corner of the eye. So basically like that. So I kind of see the mark, just like I have so much acne right now that it's also hard to see the mark. Nope, yep, I'm just gonna stick with it. It is what it is. Two, the arch peaks above the outside of the iris. So the arch should be right here. Perfect. All right, 2 marks down. 3, the inner side of the brow should align with the bridge of the nose. And this part I'm not doing correctly because I actually watched a YouTube video and they said that's not right because what if your nose is huge, right? Then your eyebrows are just gonna be super far in. So you actually are going to line it up with the inside or the inside of your eyelid. So like right there, that works. So those are 3 marks. Draw a line from inner to the outer point along the bottom edge of the brow. Done. Now we take our handy dandy tweezers and start plucking away all the, drop something, all the strays. Ow, ow. Oh my gosh, this hurts like heck. Oh my gosh, ow. Guys, this hurts so much. I mean, I can see what we're getting at. Just I got a lot of strays. You ever have this one hair that just won't pluck? Because I'm having that struggle. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm crying so much. Thank goodness I don't have makeup on. Guys, it's just like this one hair. Got it. Woo! Got it. It's also really hot in here. I think I need to turn on my AC. Holy moly. All right, AC is now on and I can get back to work. So you can see, maybe, can you see already? I can see definitely a little bit how this one's a little more shapely-ish. I really just like, because I have no idea what I'm doing, I'm being very careful because I do not want to mess this up at all. So I think I'm going to say that I'm just about done with my left eyebrow because again, really just don't want to do too much. So I'm going to say good on that eyebrow, time to move to the other. So my eyebrows are a little bit weird. I have like a complete gap in the back where they just don't grow at all. I've always considered, well not always, I started to consider what it would be like if I just like created that gap the way that some people do. What do you guys think? What do you think about that look? Let me know in the comments because I think that'd be pretty cute. Guys, this side has so many more strays, oh my gosh. All right, well, I'm gonna say that's good enough, yeah? Oh, there's like one. Okay, maybe 2 more on this side. Good enough, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna go blow dry my hair before it dries really weirdly, and then we're going to come back and actually fill them in. Hello friends, how are you? Low-key, took a little bit too much of a nap, and now I'm kind of doomed. But that's okay. We are going to fleek the eyebrows if we can. Just going to start this up. Let me turn that on. So yesterday I plucked my eyebrows for the first time, and so today we are going to actually do eyebrows for the first time. I also have some tea next to me, so I don't freak out. Ooh, my eyebrows, you know, kind of good, kind of cute. So the first thing I am going to do is actually put some concealer on underneath. Oh my god, where'd my tweezers go? I missed a hair. Guys, I missed a hair. This is what happens when you're not makeup inclined. You don't know what you're doing and you kind of wing it. All right, ow. Okay. So, first things first, I am going to just be putting on some concealer underneath to kind of prep it. I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I don't really know what this concealer is either because, you know, again, I don't really know much about makeup. All I know is I got it from Bare Minerals. It was a sample BPC. That's literally all I know. That's really nice concealer. So I had to go and get a new one. I want to try something new, so this is what we got. Ooh. So if I'm correct, this kind of just like preps you for your shaping. Am I right? Am I wrong? Someone tell me. I don't know what I'm doing. Fully. I literally don't know what I'm doing, and I have family coming over in like 30, 20, 10 minutes. What time is it? Okay, 15 minutes, guys. I got 15 minutes to fleek my eyebrows. Oh my god! Why did I choose today to do this? Who knows? But it's okay. So I've just kind of now put it underneath my eye just to kind of help define the kind of shape that I want to go for. Very nice, very nice. Blend the baby out, blend it out. All right, now we're going to do the horrifying part, which is actually do my eyebrows. I'm literally like freaking out. Let's see, 84. It's my heart rate right now. Resting, 64. So, freaking. So what I'm gonna do first is just gently kind of trace in what is going to be my bottom line. Also, why did Sephora tell me this is my color if this is dark AF? Come on, Sephora. Step up your game now. Now I'm going to take the spoolie end and kind of bring that up into the eyebrow more. Because that's what I've watched them do. This is not my color, though. I'm a little bothered. That's okay. Look at that already. Look how much fuller this is compared to this one. The part that I'm really like curious about is this gap that I have in both my eyebrows. Filling that in, like how is that going to work? I don't know. We shall see. All right, now I'm gonna do the top. Okay, look how full that is, except for my gap. The gap has got to get full, guys. So I'm stroking along the way that the hair grows, because again, something else I was instructed to do was that. I mean, not that bad. It's just really dark. I feel like I have a caterpillar in my eye. What I might do also is use some of this brow pen to kind of just like, oh lord. Oh lordy lordy. Nope. Spoolie, help me. I take it back, I take it back. Okay, get up. I'm just gonna go with it. Get out. Not a fan of you. Now I'm going to go back to my concealer and do the top two, but I think I'm going to go to my other concealer that I normally use because safe zone. Oh my god, it's empty. Are you for real? Why do I have an empty concealer in here? Where's the new one? I totally just bought a new one. Basically now what I have to do is like really define the brow by going over the top with the concealer. Guys, this is not that bad. I'm quite okay with this. 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10 maybe 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, it's not that bad. Next one! Woo! I wish I had more time to like focus on this, you know, but alas. And now because I'm actually doing this, I have to put on a full face of makeup, which I was not planning on doing today, but it looks like I'm going to do that now too. Whoa. Okay, how did I start this again? Can't even remember. T! Help me. Yes. Spoolie! Okay, guys, you know, it's kind of good. I'm gonna come back to this when I actually know what I'm doing. I'm going to rewatch this video. I'm going to tell you guys how wrong I was in doing this and do it differently. That is the plan, my friends. Kind of weird. I like when they're a little bit thinner. I think it's because I just love my gap so much. So having to fill in my gap to do this is like weird. This is so weird, guys. I literally feel like there's just 2 caterpillars sitting on my face right now. Maybe next time I'll make my arch higher too. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Because I do this thing where like I literally just sit like this sometimes, like with my eyebrow arch, and I don't even realize it until my coworkers are like, what's that look you're giving me? Apparently I give a look at work. I had no idea. Anyways, back to concealer. I'm gonna just do the top. Some first video after a while, right guys? Annie has no idea what she's doing. Okay, so this is what the eyebrows look like. I am now just going to, honestly, go ahead and put on my full face because now I have to, and then we shall talk. This is what the face ended up looking like with semi-fleeky eyebrows. I'd say these eyebrows are probably a 6 out of 10 because they're just a little funky, if I do say so myself. They're a little bit weird. They're freaking me out. I don't really know how excited I am to go downstairs looking like this with 2 caterpillars sitting over my eyes, but that's okay. I'm gonna have to deal with it because you know what? I have no idea what I'm doing, and that's what's really fun about this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed just watching me attempt to do this. If you have any feedback or any kind of like advice on how I can do better, please leave that in the comments down below. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates on other videos that are to come. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll definitely be seeing you soon. Bye!